In this video, I want to share with you how to enable the playlist within your channel, how to create a playlist. For example, playlists actually help you to categorize your videos. You see, now I'm on my channel. Once you log into your channel, it's going to bring you over here. So these are a bunch of the bunch of videos that we have, but creating playlists help you to categorize them according to the type of video and the type of importance and the application of it. Okay, so for example, right now we can check on the playlist and we see a bunch of playlists that we have. For example, I have TikTok videos, I have Facebook videos, I have Instagram videos, I have LinkedIn videos, YouTube, and all that. So you can see the classification accordingly. We have tutorials, we have tips and tricks, and all that. So depending on you, it will help you to categorize your videos accordingly. For you to create a new playlist that you can add during your video upload, it's very easy. So once you can come to your YouTube icon over here, okay, your Google icon, okay, so you just click on it and you come to the YouTube Studio. You just click on YouTube Studio and it will take you to YouTube Studio, and very easily you can come to the playlist. You just click on playlist down here and you can come to new playlist, for example, from here. So once you click on new playlist, you're free to put in the playlist title and you can check the visibility can go into 3 stages. You can go private, which is only applicable to you, and it's also you can go to unlisted, which also other people cannot watch except people that have the link to that video can be able to watch it. So but then you can write anything. You can write anything to create a particular playlist. So for example, when we add it, we can create a playlist and call it Gmail. Okay, so once you call it Gmail, and you can see, you can select the category, okay, the visibility, and maybe we'll make it public. Okay, we can call it Gmail tips and tricks. So once we click on create, it's going to create this very playlist, and we can show the example of how to use it as well. So let's say we create this playlist, and we can see it's quite empty. So you have to add videos to it, and which you can do by mere opening. So you can open it and you can edit the playlist. Okay, you can edit it and you can change the name, and once you're done, you can save back, or you can come to these 3 dots and you can delete a playlist directly. If you don't want it, you can delete it, and you can add videos from the bunch of videos that we have. Okay, we have existing videos, so you just click on add videos, and then you check around within your videos. Maybe for example, you can come to YouTube videos and you can search, this is Gmail, as how to send Gmail as attachment. So you see this video can fit in this very playlist. So you just click on this and you can see add video, and it's going to add it to this playlist. Okay, and you can have other options as well to add more. So you can see it has added it. You can click on the 3 dots again to add more videos, and you check from your videos, or if you have, you can search the video from here. If you know the name of that particular video, it's going to be very easy for you. So it has to be within Epic Mentorship, for example. So Gmail Epic Mentorship, you click on OK, and it's going to bring in all the videos that have this Gmail and within Epic Mentorship. So for example, we have this one. We can select it and we can see add video, add to the playlist, and you can see it has added it also to the playlist. So many more things. You can click on the 3 dots, you can collaborate, you can add to all, you can add all to, you can add all videos to, or all the, you can move from one playlist to another. Okay, and you can collaborate with other playlists or with other people directly. You can call them, and you can bring in playlist settings. You can check other playlist settings as well. You click on this and you can see you can allow embedding. You can add new videos to top of playlist. You can enable this and set as official series for this playlist. You can save this as an official series that will keep playing consistently. Okay, once you're done, you click on done, and you can do many more things. Okay, over here you can reshuffle the playlist arrangement and you can share them out. So feel free to try it and try to see how you can increase or put in content to a playlist, and maybe delete content and delete a playlist also by just coming here, and you can easily delete it. So during uploads of your videos, you can easily also create playlists from there, and you can assign videos from there as well to a particular playlist. So for example, let's say we are adding a content. We come to the create menu at the top right here. You just click on it and say upload a video. This is just an example, and we just click to navigate to where the video is. Let's say we have a video on, so let's say we have this video, and we just click on it and we can open it. So you can see now it is uploading this video, but then there are a bunch of other things you need to fill, like the title, the description, and then here we put the thumbnail and all that. And on down here you have the playlist. This is where you add playlist to this. You add this video to a particular playlist even during uploading of the content. So you can click on this drop down and you can see the bunch of playlists that we just have, including the one that we just created just now. And you can see, you can come down to see many more playlists that we have already. So selecting a particular playlist, you can see you can select and unselect it. So let's say we select this and we click on done, and it's going to assign this video to this particular playlist. Additionally, you can click on this to create a new playlist. So once you click on this, you have the option to create a new playlist, just like the way we have shown it in the other feature. Okay, so you can create a new playlist. Once you click on done, this video is going to be assigned to this particular playlist, and you can fill in the other features and click on next to move to the next features, and this video belongs to that playlist. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a bit on how to manage playlist, to create one, to manage it, to delete one, and even to see the direct way the applications of playlist and how they help us categorize our videos into different kind of sections according to value and applications. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.